If you want to start selling on Trendyol, here's how to list your products step by step. So first you go to the seller page on Trendyol and sign up for a Trendyol seller account. Fill out your business details, tax information, and bank account info. This is where your payouts will go. Once your seller account is approved, log in to the Trendyol seller panel. So inside the panel, click on Products on the left menu and then select Add Product. You can either add a single product manually or use the bulk upload feature if you're adding many items at once. Start by entering the product title, brand, and category. Make sure to choose the category that matches your item best. This helps customers find it easily. Next, upload clear, high-quality photos of your product from multiple angles. Trendyol requires images to be on a white background with no watermarks or logos. Then fill in the product description, material details, and key features. Add the price, stock quantity, and any available variants like size or color. Once everything is ready, click Save and Send for approval. After that, Trendyol's team will review your listing to make sure it meets their content and quality guidelines. After approval, your product will go live on the platform and start appearing in search results. You can also track product performance anytime from the seller panel dashboard, where you'll see sales, reviews, and stock updates in real time. And this is how you list products on Trendyol and get started as a seller. If this helped you launch your store, leave a like and check the link in the description as well.